Entry patterns. There are some patterns in the market that just tells you, okay, price is ready to move to the direction you're interested in, or price is ready to stop somewhere, or price is ready to bust through somewhere. These are entry patterns in the market that you would love to pay attention to. So this tells you, because I had a question from one of my comments one time, and it was like, how do you know the best time to get in a trade, or how do you make your entry even faster or cleaner? Is by knowing some of these patterns in the market. And these patterns has to play in places that are important. They are called key levels. You don't just, because it's a pattern I just played somewhere, you just go in and get into the trade. No, you don't do that. It has to play in a place that is important to you based on your strategy. Remember, I always say things like based on your strategy, because we all trade different strategies, but there are some key things that are very consistent in the markets, which are the patterns the market play, and I'll explain that in better terms. Let's get on the charts. So you can see, let's say you're looking to short at this support, at this resistance zone right here. Now, when price got here the first time, you can see, let me take out my tool. When price got here the first time, you can see how price interacted here. We had a candle which is like to the seller side, and we had rejection, a bit of rejection, and price printed down. But now look at how price played here. One rejection to the top. This is on the 4-hour time frame. One rejection to another rejection, another rejection, another rejection, another rejection, and now it gave you the momentum candle. So if we had just two of these and a momentum candle, we can call that morning star or the evening star. Hold on. Let me write the call out. So I'll call it for you. So some of my key entry patterns involve the morning star pattern, the evening star pattern, I have the Maribozu, I have the Dojis and rejection candles. These are the main 4 patterns that I'm looking to see in the market, and this gives me a go. This gives me a cue to get into a trade based on how it played, based off my own edge or based off my strategy. So some of the sub ones I add to it are like my fib, so I use the 50, 61, 71 levels of the fib to gauge a position where I could take a trade. So the fib 50, 61, 50, 61 and 72 extension, 71 extension. These levels are levels I'm looking to take a trade from. If you're interested in seeing how I've placed my fib or how the numbers I use on my fib, I can show you. My fib is pretty clean. We have the 61 extension, we have the 50 extension. So these are levels. So let's say price, let's just put it, let me draw a fib to one level so we can see. Let's say as price moved from here, price came all the way down here before it stopped. So we started the level from here. The initiation of the journey started here, came back here, created a pattern, and went all the way down. And since it came here, it got to this level, the 0 extension, price went up, went to the 38 extension. You see, there's no concrete sellers there, because all of us are traders. We have patterns we use to take trades in the market. But now look at how price reacted when it got to the 61 extension. Look at that's the 6150 extension. Now see the push down to the current state it is at the moment with GBP USD. So this is some of the patterns that are very, very important if you're looking to take a trade in the market. This pattern here is more like an evening star, but it just has so many rejection candles. So the more the rejection candles, and then the momentum candle gives you a cue to sell the market. So if you look at here, this is an evening star, this is a morning star here, but look at it has to be in a place where you consider where you consider like an important place for you to buy or sell the market. Now look at this particular zone. Now if for my strategy, I'm looking to buy at this level because that's a support level in the market. Price has come to this point a couple of times and has decided to not go anywhere below this one. Went back up here, create a double bottom here, and boom, we found our way all the way to the top. Now notice the entry pattern here. You can see clearly, like I said, this is an a morning star. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a momentum candle, and we're all the way to the top. Notice these patterns, please. These are very important patterns in the market. This will help you speed up your learning curve. These patterns are important patterns in the market. You can see it's playing here again. 1, 2, 3, momentum candle, and we're all the way to the down. First off, we have a double top right around here. Same pattern playing in the same exact zone. But see, look at the momentum candle here. We had a rejection and boom, we're all the way to the bottom. So see, price came down back to the top and boom, we're all the way to the downside. So these patterns, don't forget it. We have the morning star, the evening star, the morning star, the evening star, your dojis, your fib, and your Mariposa patterns. So your Mariposa can sometimes look like this. So we have price in this level, price doing this, then you now print a Mariposa all the way to the down. So your goal is now to sell from the Mariposa or sell from the retracement of the Mariposa. So you see, you can sell and price will just continue to go down. So let me find the point where price has really done that. Then you can see clearly what a Mariposa look like. This is a Mariposa, but this is not a pattern for me to get in a trade. So, but this is a Mariposa. These are very big candlesticks in the market. Here, look at this area here. We have a couple of Mariposas, 1 and 2. So as soon as, look at this Mariposa, as soon as price printed from this resistance zone, it came back, gave a bit of retracement for people that are maybe new traders that want to get in, and we went all the way 1 to 2 before price decided to start retracing on the 4-hour time frame. So these are some key patterns you need to pay attention to. Remember, you have your dojis, you have your Mariposas, you have your morning star, your evening star, and your fib if you're interested. So for me, the fib is last. So but those main 4 are very important in my key area, in my key zones. So yeah, if you want to learn stuff like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.